Sam Create the Heart, and I am back with, excuse me, my Tailored Expressions unboxing of the virtual retreat. So something to note about Tailored Expressions, about their Stamp Joy, is it's very different from a lot of the other events like the Weekender from Spellbinders and Pink Fresh Studio, in that you do get a lot less product, but they cut everything for you. So it really is a very nice experience if you just want to do some crafting. And so I like getting the opportunity to do an event that is just stress-free. I could just show up with just my basic toolkit and just be ready to stamp. So let me get into what is in my kit. Okay, so in this bag we have our session instructions. So this is the instructions of all the cards that we are going to make in here. And then we have a stack of envelopes, and they always give us a gift, like a food gift. So this one is, and I opened it to try it out, it's called Bubs, and these are banana toffee, which is, it was oddly good. I actually really enjoyed it. So I'm going to put that in a plastic bag so it doesn't get all hard. And then all of the projects that we're going to be making are, so we have session 1, you can see everything is cut out. Session 2, so if you need anything special that you might not have on hand, they provide. So in this case, we've got some twine, and I don't know what this is, maybe felt. And then if there are dies or a stamped image or something that doesn't come in our kit, they provide that. So obviously there's some dyed words that are in here. This one has some gems in here. So this one has some acetate. So, and just to give you an idea, everything is provided. So here are 7 sessions that are here for you. So also in this kit is the stamp set that is the one we're going to be using. What they normally do is usually we get pieces from other stamp sets that they make a Stamp Joy stamp set. Sometimes they're pieces I have, sometimes they're not. And we also get the matching dies with it. Some other things that we got in our kit is the mini strip occasions. So if you have the die that goes with the mini strips, you could just cut them all out. These also can be foiled. And you also could just use your paper trimmer. Then we have this die, which is half patterns talking in circles. So I guess we'll be doing something with that. We also have this layering stencil called Petal Patchwork. This layering stencil, which is called Single Quilt Square. And we got some twine and some lunar paste in this purple color. And then we get a gift. It says do not open until the final session, and I'm going to open it right now. Okay, so there's that one. I'm going to put this in here. And so there are some other things that you need, like, you know, your ink pads. You might need something to color with. I think they have some Olos on there. I use, you know, what I've got. They might suggest some other stamp sets that you could use, or stencils. A lot of times I use what I have. I think I do have the stamp set already that they are recommending. So you need a few things, but you could do everything without it. Okay, so the gift we have is like directions for making a cute little keychain. So I will definitely make that before I do the, you know, I'll do a recap of everything we made, and I'll do that one as well. Okay, so then we've got these other pieces. So this one is for, I don't even understand. Some other classes. I don't know, it says 1 a.m. It's weird. Oh, I think it's for the second day. Maybe that's what it is. I'm confused. But we're going to do some sort of calendar. So pieces to make that. All the pieces to make whatever this is. No extra stuff in here, but all of that. And then also part of this, we also have the directions. So these are like pieces that, so you can see we're going to make a lot of cards, but everything is all put together for us. Is the Fold It Fancy. So this is all fancy cards. And then we're going to be getting a Take Two, which I feel like I have a Take Two. I don't know if it's this one, but I do have a Take Two stencil somewhere from them. But basically it's 2 stencils on one 8.5 by 11 panel. So we got that. And then we got something called Botanical Brushstrokes along with the die and some envelopes. So that is all in this one, which I'm going to put everything together because when it's time to like make everything, you know, it's good to not have totally taken apart your kit. Okay, so there's that. We always get envelopes. All right, and then this one right here, which is, got a lot in this kit this time, more than I think we've ever gotten before. This one is Make a Splash. So it's going to be liquid watercolors. So here are all the pieces. So for example, this one, we didn't get the die for this, I guess. So they already cut it out for us. And so we get all the pieces. There's watercolor paper even in there. So we get everything to make the projects. And so this kit's pretty darn good, actually. We got a lot of stuff in this one. But it's, you know, generally you might get a little bit less than like what you would get doing a Instruct studio for the same price. But we also got some envelopes, and then so maybe they'll sell the die for this at a later date. But this is birthday brushstrokes, and so that's fun. And then we get some watercolors, and these are all their newer colors. So I think I've got these watercolors. Maybe I might have pineapple. Pineapple is not a new color. And bubblegum's not new, but Tiki Mule is a newer color, and so is Cake Pop. So we got watercolors. We didn't have to buy those, which is really nice because sometimes we do have to buy. There might be some on the list, which I do have quite a few, and so I might just make do with what I have because I don't know that I want to. I don't know. I'll look at the supply list and see if there's anything that I don't have and I need to decide what to make. But I will say that. There's my head in there. Sorry, something fell. That it is really great to have everything already done for me. All I have to do is show up with glue and ink, and I can make the cards. And I know that there's at least one stamp set on there I already have because it was a free gift at one time, I think. I don't know. I have it already. And then I think there might be a stencil that I could substitute. So there's that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Cream of the Heart.